Want to change Roblox name tag color? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, currently in Experience, name colors are assigned at random, and at this time, there's no way to manually assign color or change it. So right now, there's no feature to change the name tag color in Roblox. However, the color is determined by the letters in your username. So you can change your username and the color will also be changed. On Roblox, you can change your account's username, but it's going to cost you Robux. If you want to change it, go ahead and log into your account, go to account settings, then select the info tab. Now select change username option, enter your new username, enter your current Roblox password, then select the buy option. You will have to pay 1000 Robux for this. Once your username is changed, the name tag color will also change, and that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.